Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site, and today we're here with Dr. Scott Dee. He is the Director of Research at Pipestone Veterinary Services. Thanks for being with us today, Scott.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Very good. We're here at AASV, and you presented to the group. Tell me a little bit about what your talk was about.
We talked about using autogenous Streptococcus suis vaccines to control that bacterial disease in an effort to reduce the need for critically important antimicrobials. So it's an alternative strategy to control a bacterial disease we didn't have a whole lot of confidence in before we did the study.
Very good. And what did the study kind of show or tell you?
We basically looked at if the vaccines could withstand a highly robust Streptococcus suis bacterial challenge. So a vaccine was created through Boehringer, Ingelheim, and Newport Laboratories, and it was directed towards the specific bacteria that we were dealing with on our farms, and we put it into pigs. We vaccinated pigs. We had some non-vaccinated pigs as controls, and we challenged them with the actual bacteria, and we measured mortality, clinical signs, and things like that. So it was a pretty robust challenge model.
Very good. And the results were positive?
Very much, yeah. To our surprise, the vaccines worked extremely well. We didn't expect that level of efficacy, and they performed great. It was always better to vaccinate than to not vaccinate, independent if you gave it to the sows, to the pigs, or both. It was always better to vaccinate than not.
Very good. And you mentioned that this was really kind of specific to these farms. Is this kind of along the lines of, kind of prescription vaccines, or kind of trying to really target in on specific disease strains? Yes. Or things like that farms are having?
Yeah, you got it. This was a specific strain of this bacteria that was bothering several of our farms, and it actually was an industry problem across many farms in the United States. The same thing was being observed by many veterinary groups. And we just wanted to see if this technology would help us, and it certainly did. I was very pleased with how the vaccines worked.
Very good. And so kind of at a producer level, what will this mean for them?
Well, it brings us a new tool, and as we try to reduce the need for using critically important antimicrobials in a preventative manner, we're looking at alternative strategies like vaccinations, which could deliver immunity via the sow or the pig, and to protect those pigs against those diseases. And each time we can reduce the need for critically important antimicrobials, we're doing a good thing. So I'm excited about the future for producers.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today, Scott.
My pleasure, Sarah.
This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.